Hi everyone, today we check out top 5 best clamp meters. So let's get started with our video. At number 5. BSIDE ACM91 Digital Clamp Meter AC/DC. BSIDE ACM91 TRMS AC/DC Clamp Meter Auto ranging 6000 counts 0.001 A resolution current frequency temperature tester with pocket clip design concept, function integration, test integration. AC/DC voltage, AC/DC ampere, AC/DC current, by jaw minimum 1 mA, temperature, frequency, capacitance, DC microampere. Resistance, live wire check, dangerous voltage alert. With such a small size it meets the rules of the state has made the most perfect functions. Live wire check function and V-alert function conveniently quickly identify mains connection status. Display double line shows, can display voltage or current and frequency at the same time. Low Z, low impedance voltage detection, very suitable for maintenance industry. We optimize the jaw, increase the pens and hustle, easy one-handed operation. We optimize jack position, better security and aesthetics, reduce the foreign body into the dust. At number 4. UNI-T UT204 plus UT203 Digital Clamp Meter. Brand name. UNI-T certification, CE certification. RO HSDIY supplies. Electrical origin, CN, origin. Measuring capacitance range. 4 mF minus 60 mF model number. UT201 plus, UT202 plus, UT202A plus, UT203 plus, UT204 plus dimensions. 215 mm by 63 mm by 36 mm measuring voltage range. 600 V operating temperature. -40 - 1000 measuring resistance range. 200 halves K, 20 K, 200 K, 2 M, 20 M ohm measuring inductance range. N, A weight. 245 G measuring current range. 400A 600A display type. Digital only DC current clamp meter. Clamp multimeter AC DC clamp meter. UNI-T clamp meter multimeter clamp. Current clamp amperometro clamp. Clamp meter DC UT201 plus 600 volts AC/DC voltage measurement. 400 AC current measure. Max, min, true RMS function. AC/DC voltage, AC current measure. Diode test. Resistance, continuity buzzer. AC frequency. Backlight 600 volts AC/DC voltage measure. 400 AC current measure. Temperature test. Capacitance test 4 mF function. At number 3. BSIDE True RMS Clamp Meter 1 mA Plier. Brand name. BSIDE certification, CE certification, FCC certification. RO HSDIY supplies. Electrical origin, CN, origin. Measuring capacitance range. 600 UF, 6000 UF. ACM 82, ACM 91, model number. ACM 81, 82/91 dimensions. 175 mm by 5.5 mm by 35 mm measuring voltage range. 6 volts, 60 volts, 600 volts, AC/DC. Operating temperature. 0 to 40 C. Filled circle ultra portable tools for advanced electricians. The DC/AC current can be tested quickly, accurately and safely without damaging the insulation on the line surface. Filled circle. The ACM 81, 82/91 series of clamp meters have true RMS characteristics and 1 mA resolution. Has dual impedance test voltage. Can effectively meet the needs of professionals. Filled circle. The BSIDE series of clamp meters is equipped with different test functions. 2 colors, blue and black. Meet the needs of different customers at a more affordable price. Filled circle. Maximum display, 6000 counts. Compared with similar products, the ACM 82/91 still has 1 mA accuracy for a larger measurement range, 0 to 6A. Filled circle. The automatic range operation mode can effectively avoid burning the table, and the operation is safer and faster. At number 2. UNI-T Digital Clamp Meter UT202A, UT204 plus DCAC. Brand name. UNI-T certification, CE certification. RO HSDIY supplies. Electrical origin, CN, origin. measuring capacitance range, 60 mF model number, UT201+, UT202+, UT203+, UT204+, UT202A+. Dimensions, 215 by 63 by 36 mm. Measuring voltage range, 600 V. Operating temperature, 0 to 40. Measuring resistance range, 60 megaohms. Measuring inductance range, weight, 248 G. Measuring current range, 600 A. Display type, digital only. Operating temperature, -40 - 1000. Measuring capacitance range, 4 mF to 60 mF. Clamp meters have stable performance, safe and reliable characteristics. The circuit design of the whole machine is based on large-scale integrated circuit. Double integral A/D conversion is the core, full-range overload protection circuit. Unique appearance design make it a special electrician instrument with superior performance. At number 1. HABOTEST HT206 AC/DC Digital Clamp Meter Multimeter. Brand name, HABOTEST, Certification, CE, Certification. Row HSDIY Supplies, Electrical Origin, CN, Origin, Measuring Capacitance Range, 99.9 mF Model Number, HT206. Dimensions, 193 by 73 by 34 mm. Measuring voltage range, 600 V. Operating temperature, 0 to 40 C. Measuring resistance range, 60 ohm. Weight, 260 G. Measuring current range, 600 A. Display type, digital only. Color, red and black. Diode test, yes. Check description box for more information about the products. Thanks for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more product reviews.